This is Ajax Electrical, Sarah speaking. How can I help you today?
Hi, I was wondering if I could get somebody out to my property for some smoke alarms.
Okay, we can definitely help you out with that. Sorry, who am I speaking with?
My name's Lucy
Thanks, Lucy. And your last name?
Mills.
Thanks, Lucy. Have you used Ajax before?
No, I haven't.
Not a problem at all. The way we work is we have a $60 inspection fee, but that gets waived when you proceed with the work. When would you like us to come and take a look? I can get someone there first thing in the morning around 7 or 8, or a bit later around 10 if that works better.
Do you have anything next week?
I totally understand. We can definitely schedule for next week. What day works best for you, and do you prefer morning or afternoon?
Wednesday morning.
Perfect. I can get someone there on Wednesday morning around 7 or 8. Which time works better for you?
7, please.
Great. Let me just get your address and email so I can lock that in for you. What's your address?
39 Ryfield Road, Carrara.
Thanks for that. And what's the best email to send your booking confirmation to?
lucymills4@hotmail.com.
Great, thanks, Lucy. You're all booked in for Wednesday morning at 7. You'll get a confirmation message shortly, and our electrician will give you a call when they're on their way. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
No, thank you.
Thanks for choosing Ajax. Have a great day. Goodbye.